We're here today with an F82, so previous gen to what we're normally working a lot on. We've been working on these cars for a very long time with our carbon packs and what we offer. This one has had a bit of a fight on its way to here. I believe when it was getting its MOT done, unfortunately got caught and damaged the front splitter. So this is what's come off. Sam's already started to work on it, so it's certainly seen better days. It was once a nice front splitter, but we're going to make good of that now. So that's going off, or is already off. We're going to replace that with our 3-piece M Performance front splitter rather than this, which is a one setup. And we're also going to replace the front strakes that were also a bit problematic here on the front. So all of that's going to be translating and transforming the front end of this car. So this actually has a peelable wrap on it, so it's not normally two different colours. So that's obviously where the old stuff's come off. But yeah, enjoy this video, see what it looks like in a minute. Right, so it's all done now, carbon's all complete, back on the car. So as you can see, it's looking a little bit more factory fresh now compared to the previous one, which has obviously had a fight and lost its battle. So this is the same 2x2 twill that BMW used from factory. These parts are proper pre-preg carbon as well. So they're made in the same way, same manufacturing method as the genuine BMW parts. So it smartens up the front end massively. This is obviously the M Performance kit. So as I said, it's a replica of the genuine BMW parts, and just ties in that front end nicely. So this one's ready to hit the road. I hope you enjoyed that video, guys, and we'll see you next time.